think back to the War of 1812, it was actually in the year 1814, the second year of that war, where an attorney was working on a prisoner swap. He was actually out on a British warship in Baltimore, in the inner harbor of Baltimore, where he watched a 25-hour bombardment of Fort McHenry. And that 25-hour bombardment of Fort McHenry, at the end of it, Old Glory was raised. And that particular person, his name was Francis Scott Key, and he wrote a poem of which the first stanza became our national anthem. So ladies and gentlemen, if you would at this time, if you are able, please stand as we recognize our American flag with our national anthem, and we begin our program.
Stand up and look over here.
Ladies and gentlemen, cheer Chuck into the ground here. Cheer him all the way to the target area as our show is underway. And just like that, our ground crew is rapidly racing to get the flag. Now, obviously, we couldn't try and catch the flag with that 20-pound counterweight coming down, but our flag crew has it recovered in record time. They'll get it stowed away. Now,